Today we are learning the flex line dance because you requested it. All right, now we're gonna get started. This is divided up into 4 sections, so it's gonna be super easy to follow along, all right? I'm gonna face the back here. My right is your right, my left is your. If you've been here before, you got the point. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, taking our right leg, we're gonna step out to the right like this. 1, bring it back, 2, and then slide out to the way that we just stepped out. 3, 4. Then we go to the other side. 5, 6, slide 7, 8. All right, so that goes. Again, 6, 7, slow. Right and slide, left and slide. Good, 2 more times and we move on. 5, 6, 7, we said slide to the right, slide to the left. All right, so that's the first part. If you got that, you're gonna survive the rest of the dance, I promise, okay? Now, going on to part 2, you're gonna take your right foot first, you're gonna tap on your heel, right foot, then bring it in, switch, left foot, then go back to the right, right foot, keep the weight on the heel, and pivot on the left ball of your foot, okay? And you're gonna turn to your left. What did I just do? One more time. We're going 1, 2, 3, turn 4. Good, one more time, just that. 6, 7, slow. Right foot, left foot, right, pivot, turn. Then you're gonna repeat it one more time. Right foot, left foot, right, turn. Now I'm facing this way, which means your back should be to me at this point, all right? Let's connect it slowly from section 1. It goes 5, 6, 7, slow. Slide to the right, slide to the left, right foot, and turn. Right foot, left foot, then turn. Stop. Okay, so that's the first 2 sections down. We only have 2 more sections to go. Now, this part, when you start to flex, this is my favorite part. I naturally make my hips go out to the right, and the most common way I see people doing it is they step out with the right leg, hips go back, swinging your hips around. 1, hit 2, other way. 3, hit 4, 5, hit 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's just 4 hits there. Going 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can make that as dirty and nasty as you want. Just show who you are. If you want to be nice and chill, hey, 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 go for it. Or if you want to get down and dirty, just, you get the point, all right? So I'm going to do that facing the back just so you can see. So you want to picture, you just finished right foot, then turn, right foot, then turn. Now, I'm just voicing you here. I'm going to step out with that right leg. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's going to be the end of section 3. Let's connect it all together from section 1, nice and slow. 6, 7, 8. Slide to the right, slide to the left, right foot, and turn. Right foot, and turn. Step out right, flex. Flex. Ooh, okay, I hope you got that part down. Now, the last section, okay? I'm gonna face the side here just so you can see. It goes, back it up, back it up. You're gonna use your right, left. There's 2 different ways to do this. You can go right, left, okay? Facing this way so you can copy me. I go right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, back it up, back it up. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, back it up, back it up. The other way to do it is to just step back on the right leg like this. Back it up, hey, cool? Show you that from the side. You can just go back like this, right, left, And you see me, I'm just vibing, doing my thing with it, all right? So, From there now, when you go, back it up, you're gonna turn to your left, stepping with this right foot 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's gonna turn you to the left. Now, if I'm facing you here, like if I just finished the dance from the flex part, your back is to me right now. I'm gonna go, back it up, and then turn to the right, hey. All right, so a couple of things. We're gonna connect this slowly from the top, make sure you have it, and then we'll go through the style and things like that, all right? So, right leg first, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go right foot, and turn to your left. Right foot, now turn to your left. Your back should be to me. Step out with the right leg. Flex. 2, 3, 4. Then we back it up. Back it up. Finish it off. 6, 7, 8. Good, all right? And now your body should be on this side here, okay? Let's do that together one more time, straight through. 5, 6, 7. We said slide to the right, hey, slide to the left. Right foot, and turn. Right foot, then turn. All right, now flex. Flex. Back it up, hey, back it up. And turn to the left, stop. And then you repeat the dance, okay? So you should have it now, but stylistically, I want you to just have fun with it. And if you see the way Cupid teaches it as well, says have a good time with it. Fire dances always, by the way. All right, last time for good measure. Here we go. 5, 6, have some fun. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, turn, break it down. Back it up, and A. All right, now just head right over here, try with the music, and if you want to learn more dances, just click right over here. All right, request your dances in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do videos to them. Peace out until next time. Woo woo!